Guys, if you want to be successful, you have to watch this video because you're going to hear the truth and you're going to hear stuff that you don't want to hear. But I don't care about hurting your feelings. All I care about is telling you the truth because a lot of people don't tell the truth, especially online. I'm here to tell you that if you want to be successful, whether that's to get a six pack, to be an amazing athlete, to build an incredible business, to make a shitload of money, it's going to take hard work. You're going to need to do things that are the opposite of what people tell you to do. I'll give you an example. If you want a better sleep, and let's just say you suffer from insomnia or whatever, what most people do is they go to the chemist and they get some supplements, some magic supplements, or they go to the doctor to get some sleeping tablets. But most people want a quick fix. So with money, it's they want the fastest thing to make them millions of dollars, or the easiest thing, some AI app that's going to make them hundreds of it doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work. So with my insomnia example, most people, instead of actually looking at the problem and optimizing your sleep, and that could mean doing 20 different things, uh, buying a better mattress, blacking out your curtains, not watching TV after 8 o'clock, not eating food at least 3 hours before bed, smelling lavender oil, having a hot bath, stretching, reading a book, an exercise I called brain dumping, where you write everything that's in your brain or in your head and you write it down on paper. So there's nothing going on in your head. But that's what I mean by optimization. Whereas what most people do is they don't want to do any of that because it's too hard. What they want to do is they want to go to the chemist and get a magic sleeping tablet that's going to magically help you sleep better. And then they work out why it's not working. And then they want another quick fix. And then they try another supplement. It doesn't work, guys. So if you want to be successful, stop looking for quick fixes. Okay. Now, I'm a business coach, well, marketer. I've helped plenty of companies make multi-millions of dollars. I've helped seven-figure entrepreneurs, eight-figure marketers. I've helped literally hundreds of different people. And every single time that I jump on a sales call, especially if they're a 7 to 8 figure earner, they all work their absolute ass off. There's not one person that's successful that I've personally worked with that has made it with AI, or they've done some magic thing on Facebook or some thing on YouTube and it takes 1 hour per day. It doesn't work like that. Every single 7 to 8 figure earner that I've personally worked with, they've worked their absolute ass off, and it's taking them many years, many years. And 99% of them were struggling at the start. They went through difficulties. They struggled. They went through hard times. They felt like quitting. Get on social media. Everyone is telling you how easy it is to do something, or click these 3 buttons to go viral. Do these 2 things if you want to make $1 million. How to go viral on YouTube by using vidIQ, and it takes 10 seconds. Guys, it doesn't work like that. If you want to be successful, again, even on YouTube, do 500 videos. Yet most people complain after 3 videos, oh, I'm not going viral, oh, I'm getting low views, what do I do? And it's like, well, you've done 3 videos. So everyone's got this mentality that they want to, they expect to be successful. They expect these amazing results, but they don't do any work. And they don't do any work because people are lied to. You're being lied to that to make money, it's easy. To be successful, it's easy. To build a 100,000 subscriber YouTube channel, it's easy. You just need to use AI and use Canva, and you need to use Chat. It doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work. Now, maybe on the odd occasion, 0.001% of people, it does work. But honestly, if you want to be successful, whether it's to make money, get an amazing body, to become an amazing singer, an amazing athlete, to be very good at something, it's going to take hard work.